come outside for the night. Take your time, get your life, dirty thing. The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a piece of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping not kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well alright, tryna fight in the night, come alive. Ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
I just made part of my shit, get it live, hold up. Yeah, you try to come up at the shit, they poppin' your tires, hold up, shit. 100 round, feeling like I'm on team. Playing both sides of these hoes, shot out on fucking your friends. I been going crazy, shot, I been in the deep end. She not in the scene, she just tryna go. I just been hashing my hoes, I just been dripping my hoes. This whole nother level shot, I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road, she tryna fuck on the old. I got this hoe with me, she tryna show me something. I got flows for days, niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like they ain't know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get it to the cold up. What the fuck, these niggas acting like they know it. Double O kick, this shit we told up. Switch out the bag, these niggas get rolled up. Everything hit, everything, everything.